Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Apple ID account. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in appleid.apple.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the account settings page for your Apple ID. If you haven't been logged into your account already, you might be asked to log in using your email address and your password. Once you end up within this page, simply click on the privacy option at the left side. Now from this page, scroll down and then alongside your data, click on manage your data. This will then take you into the data and privacy page for your Apple ID. You will be asked to verify your identity by entering your password. So type it in and continue logging into your account by completing a verification as well. After you complete the verification, you will be taken into the data and privacy page. From this page, scroll down and you will be able to find the delete your account button. If you wish to delete your account permanently, then click on the request to delete your account button. But if you only wish to deactivate it temporarily, then click on request to deactivate your account. If deleting your account is what you certainly wish to do, then click on request to delete your account. You will then be shown a message which tells you what happens if you go forward with this process. You will also be asked to select your reason. So make sure you read this page carefully and then select any of the reason that is appropriate for you. After selecting your reason, click on the continue button and you might be asked to verify your identity once again by entering your password and authentication code. After you verify your identity, your Apple account will be deleted. And there you have it. That is how you can delete your Apple account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.